Hey guys, I get a ton of questions about smoking meat and whether or not it's possible to pull off on a gas grill. So today, I'm going to show you how you can bring all the tasty benefits of smoking to your gas grill using this Revelry 4 burner in stainless steel. Here's how it works. Pick your favorite wood chips. Different types of hardwood offer different flavor profiles. Soak a handful of wood chips in a bowl of water for at least an hour prior to use. If your wood chips are dry, you risk them burning up too quickly, but water-saturated wood chips deliver a steady, longer-lasting smolder that increases their efficiency and emboldens flavor. Once we're good and soaked, place your wood chips in the Revelry's built-in smoker box. Then, on the same side as your smoker box, set the two main burners to medium heat, leaving the other two burners off. Next, fill a grill-safe container like this drip pan with water and set it on your cooking surface over the flames. The water keeps moisture inside your chamber and prevents your wood from drying out on the grill. Now close your lid and let that smoker box work its magic. Keep a close eye on the dial, leveling off your grill's temperature to about 275 degrees, the perfect temp for a low and slow smoke sesh. From here, we're going to sit back, crack open a cold one, and add more soaked wood chips as needed. For the next several hours, that wood smoke is going to infuse our brisket with flavors you can't get anywhere else. For more grill tips, recipes, or to bring home a Revelry 4 burner for your own backyard, visit Nexgrill.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.